Okay, today we're making a baked potato with broccoli. It's pre-cooked already. Steamed in the microwave with a little water and salt. I already drained it. This is pre-cooked bacon. I like mine crispy, and I did put it in the freezer a little bit, just for a minute, because it makes it crumble. Okay? And I like this Colby Monterey Jack. And my potatoes pre-cooked. And I've already let it cool down where it's still hot, but it's not burning me. And I'll show you how to put this together. After I peel this, I'm going to smash it with a potato smasher onto this plate. The next thing you're going to do is, I pre-softened my butter in the microwave. That might be a bit much, but I like a lot of butter. And I'm not ashamed to say that. I love my butter. You want to cut this up a little bit. Just cut it up. And then you're going to pour on your butter. And put it in the microwave a little bit. And then, you know, we all have one of these potato smashers. So then you're just going to smash it. Be right back. And this is the next step. After you smashed it, you're going to make a round circle with it. Smashed, and I just put pepper because you get the salt from the cheese, and you know, I pre-salted this when I cooked it. And I've already chopped up my bacon. That's the next step. The reason why you want to do bacon on top of this, because if you put your broccoli on first, the bacon will fall off. So you want to kind of smash that. I like a lot of bacon, y'all. That's about 6 slices of the, add it all. There's 6 slices of this. I've got to spread that out. Black Label. It is fully cooked, but I put mine in the microwave. My microwave is a 1200 setting. So you don't want it. I do mine for 66 seconds. Now if you got a lower setting, you can do a little more time. But I don't want to burn mine. If you do it too long, you know. And this is kept frozen. I keep this in my freezer. This Black Label. And a lot of places carry it. I got the big pack 72. I get this at my Sam's Club. It's ready to eat. I've seen people eat it frozen. Okay, now the next step is your pre-cooked broccoli. I cook broccoli first. The reason is you want it to cool down. And I pre-cook everything first. I do my bacon so it can get crispy. I put it in the freezer for like a minute, and then I take it and crumble it up on my paper towel, and then I put it in a bowl. And then I cook this next so it can cool down with half water and salt and lid on it. I put it on a paper plate so I don't burn myself. And I microwave this broccoli for about, well, my microwave, 4 minutes, 44 seconds. Now mine's a 1200, so if yours is less, it might take longer, because I want mine soft, and it's still a little bit hard. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put you're going to start doing this. Or you can just get a handful and do that. And you want to cover every bit of it. So don't just do a little dab of broccoli. It takes more than you think. And you want to get your veggies, right? This is a pretty cheap, easy meal. And I got my potato all covered. Completely covered. I used all that. So, I don't know how much broccoli that is. I just go by what I normally use. Now, next I'm going to add cheese, but I need my hand for that. And we're going to put this cheese on top as much as you like. And I like a lot. So, cut the camera and I'll be right back. Now that I added my cheese on top, as much as I like, I'm going to put it in my microwave. So we're going to put it in the microwave. And we're going to want that cheese melted. You don't cover it, of course, your cheese would stick. And we're going to do it for like, I think 144, because mine's 1200 degrees. And I want to melt that cheese. Start. And that's it. You have it. That's how you make it. After it melts, we'll look at it, see what it looks like. Okay, it's out of the microwave. Let's get a good look at it. And yum, let's get us a fork. You want to see what it looks like? Oh my goodness. Let's do a taste. It's hot. It's hot. It's good. Let it cool a little bit. Okay. So you have it. So easy. Makes a delicious meal. And everybody loves them. Goodbye.